Monday. I had a good weekend. You saw, well, you didn't see me go to, but I did some recording over the weekend. Went to Guitar Center, ended up getting a new interface so that way I can plug in my guitars. And then I can also like plug in the drum kit when I get it, so that way we can actually start like physically recording real digital sounds. And then along with that, I got some K52 headphones. I think they're made by like AMG or something like that. And wow, for a $50 set of headphones, dang, they are really, really nice. I was gonna do an unboxing for it, excuse me, but there wasn't too much going on in the box anyway. It was basically like as soon as you opened the box, like you took the plastic off, cut the piece of tape, and then there's the headphones. I mean, there's it wasn't very exciting, so I didn't do the unboxing, and I just tested them out. But they plug straight into the interface, so that, and they have it has its own volume knob and everything just for the headphones. And man, they just studio headphones. I've never had a pair before, and I'm speechless. They covered like the whole head, and it was like so flush, and everything was just perfect. So we'll do some more testing with them and let you know how I like them. I got like a 2-year warranty on them, so if anything ever happens to them in the next 2 years, I can just take them into Guitar Center and go get a new pair. Same thing with the interface. If anything happens to that at all, buttons break, water damage, you know, in the next 2 years, they'll just replace it for free. So that's really cool. We are currently running late. I slept straight through my alarm for some reason. Yesterday we got to see my son's Pawpaw Fry, and hung out with him for a little while. He made us a roast. Maybe it was the roast that made me so tired, I don't know. So we got home and I was like a dead dog. But yeah, so we are running late, but I'm actually going to take the freeway today, and we'll see how much time it cuts, because I'm pretty sure I can still get there on time. Because there's also like a 7-minute like leadway that they don't really want you to know about. Like they let you know about it, but you know, don't abuse it kind of feel. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we got gas. You probably won't see, because that was part of all the videos that I accidentally deleted. There was a few times where my gas light just, or like my gas ding, like the little notification thing, you know, tells you that you need some gas. At least 2 or 3 times. So we lost that footage. Sad face. But I'm so excited for next week's video. Or this week's video, I guess I should say. I'm not too sure what day I should post them. I was thinking like Wednesdays wouldn't be bad, but that doesn't have the whole week in it. So, but I mean, technically I do record a week in advance. So I don't know. Maybe we'll do Fridays. We'll release Friday to Friday. We can do that. That way, when everyone's getting off of work, you know, going home to go hang out or do whatever, then you can catch my video real fast, and and then go do what you gotta do. This whole light system up here is so dumb. So they made it all nice and fancy up here with the bridge and gave us a turn lane instead of, you know, relying on just one lane that people have to get around you for. But everybody used it as a turn lane anyway. And now it's just a red light with an arrow. So, and it gives you like 10 seconds, if that. Wow. Everyone else is still green. Like, I could be going right now. Right now I could be getting on the freeway. But I can't, because I'm sitting at a red arrow. Oh, green arrow. Dang, that never happens. I'm surprised. Usually it makes you wait a whole cycle. Man, I wonder if they fixed it. It usually makes you wait a whole entire cycle, but I guess maybe it realized that we were sitting there for this time. I don't know. But yeah, you'll just be sitting there waiting. You'll just be waiting and waiting and waiting, and you're like, I could totally be going right now. Like, everybody else has got green lights except for you. So, I don't know. So this is the make it or break it ramp. It's either I get off at Bryce Road, or I'd actually get off at, or I can take the 270 north exit to 16. So we'll see how slammed we're about to be. Because if we just kind of keep on cruising, then I'll just get off at 270 north. Yeah, I think we're good. Usually by now we'd be slamming on our brakes. Trump is about to put a quarantine on the nation, is what my mom sent me last night. I don't know anything about it right now, but I'm just kind of like, so hopefully it all works out. Kind of scary, to be honest. But alright folks, I will inform you more about what I find and what I hear about this. Apparently it's a pandemic, but Dr. Drew doesn't say so. Dr. Drew saying the media is overreacting. It's pretty crazy out here right now. So hopefully we don't turn into a bunch of animals and start gouging each other's eyes out, because we need to stick together and we need to overcome whatever is going to come our way, because this is so these are hydros. Yeah. So this is the wiring closet of doom. My little step stool was for me last time. Actually, that's mine. So you go, okay, network 3 should be, you know, like right here, something like that. That says 71. So come to find out, it was on port 439? Yeah. So this is the one that, see it, network 3. And it's plugged into 39 on the switch. Let's see, what do we have available? We got network 10. Try to find 10. 11, 49, 60. See, this is why it's so messed up. Oh, network 10. Found it. So we're looking at port 12. Unit 4. Okay. Let's switch her over. yeah, so it's very straightforward. You just have to figure out where everything goes, and then where it goes, and then where it plugs in, and it's good. So it's a little bit worse than I thought. So usually, right there, you would see some blinky lights, because I'm patched directly to this, which had no blinking lights on the switch side, but assuming that it's all plugged together because it had something plugged into it, it should work, in theory. It does not. However, if I put it back on the port that we originally had it on, oh, there you go, and blinkies. So, something's wrong here. So, we got it plugged in, so hopefully by tomorrow I'll reach out to the user and everything should be good. So yeah, we got one side of the wall here, and then the switches, everything coming from the ceiling and stuff, and then we also got this wall back here. So boom, boom, boom. It's a lot.
So, I drive to Zanesville, and I'm the first person here. Yeah. So I guess I'm just gonna sit here, I guess. At least it's a pretty day out here.
Alrighty, boys and girls all over the world. Today is Wednesday, and today we're going back out to Zanesville, so that way we can cover their go live, which is basically the first day that the doctor and like their assistant or whatever is going to be at the site. So we, obviously want to make sure that everything's going to go smoothly, and that there are no issues with like the computer, as well as anything going on with the network possibly and stuff like that. I don't know, it's just a better view, you know what I mean? So I've got an hour drive ahead of me. You'll see me in Zanesville. I did bring my fishing pole with me, so if we do stop by a lake or something like that, I'll take my lunch break, and we'll definitely do some fishing for my lunch break. So more to come. So I will switch you to the montage, and we're gonna get on to driving. Alrighty folks, as you can see, this is my little secret hidey hole. It's about 15 minutes away from where we just were. You can see the Trailblazer out there. And I am currently enjoying my lunch. And I got the fishing pole out there. You can see my bobber. I'm probably going to sit here for about 20 minutes. That, I'm about to switch out for a was a MEP spinner. Let's see. Try not to stab myself here. Yeah, something like that. I think we're gonna switch to one of those. Alright, so there's like some kind of weird, it's either like a fish or a snake. I'm not too sure, but there was one like quick, like you could see almost the top of the fin, and it would swim. It was like very fast from basically like right over here. And then I just saw another one. I'll put some power bait on there. Alrighty, folks. We didn't get no fishies, but it's been about 20-30 minutes. Walked around just a little bit and cast a few times and ate some food. Just kind of did some relaxing, looked at the water, and just, you know, hanging out with nature for a little while. Ain't nothing better than that. I picked up a couple pieces of trash, and I couldn't pick up the open containers because I'm driving, so if I were to for some reason get pulled over and have them in my car, then that would not be good. So I had to leave those. But next time I'm out here, I'll try to bring a trash bag and hopefully put some of that trash into a trash bag, and then we can take that with us and dispose of it here at, you know, one of these. I bet any of these neighbors would probably be happy to let us use their trash can just to throw some garbage away from out here in the public part. So this is all public area. It's meant for hunting and fishing and stuff like that. Down here there's an area where you can sight in your crossbow or bow and arrow. Plenty of fun activities to be able to do down here. I didn't even get close to as far as it goes. I mean, it goes for miles. We were able to flick a few casts out there, and no bites. But yeah, it was super weird. I don't know what that was. I don't think I was able to actually get it on film, but it seemed like a fish. I went ahead and I put hand sanitizer on because I was touching some algae and stuff like that, and with all this crap going on, I don't want to be just trying to be safe. So now we are on our way back to the office. It is 12 o'clock, so I am not a professional by any means. However, I do like to catch some fish. So this year, when it starts to get warmer and stuff, we'll be going out to the old lady's mom's house. She's got this nice pond, and huge, I mean, it's full of catfish. I mean, so many catfish are in that pond. So hopefully you'll see some catfish this year. You got to see the goodness, the old fishing spot. All right, I'm gonna get off of here. Take it easy. Alright folks, guess what? It's still Wednesday, and it's raining. Probably saw a montage a second ago. Now, that being said, going back to the other day, or maybe it's still in this video, I can't keep track of the days. When I was talking about how nice that one house is, they're building a mansion, but it was like right smack dab in Ohio, in the middle of like this neighborhood kind of thing. Weather, and like why would you want to live in Ohio because of how sporadic the weather is and stuff like that. Prime example, you saw this morning, it was sunny, and it was really nice out this morning. By the time I got out of Zanesville, it was cloudy. Did lunch, fished for about 20-30 minutes, hit the freeway, and then it starts raining. I'm like, this is the definition of Ohio weather right here. And I bet you anything, before the end of the day, it'll clear back up and it'll be sunny. I don't want to like put money on it or anything like that, but it's very possible that it's going to happen. So we'll see. Oh. I don't know. It would be crazy. Wow, this is like the weirdest deja vu. Whoa. Anyway, and tomorrow is Taco Thursday. So that's tomorrow. I'm looking forward to that. Always am every week. Problem with that is we can't sit down and eat. We have to order out, which is perfectly fine because we still get our tacos. I thought it was going to get sunny. I lied. it actually got even more rainy than it was before. Welcome to Ohio! That's the end of the day for the day. Recent news on the corona. You better stop. Recent news on the coronavirus. Columbus, Ohio was just placed into a state of emergency. Barbershops and hair salons and stuff like that, they're all closed now. The only thing that will remain open after today are banks, medical offices, everything else shut down. Oh, grocery stores. Can't forget about the grocery stores. Yeah, literally everything else is shut down. What that means exactly, I'm not too sure. What the strat is on that yet. However, hopefully we stay safe and as a team stay healthy and just try to get through this together. So that's my day for the day. More to come tomorrow, and stay healthy out there, guys. Keep washing your hands, don't lick any toilet seats, and just yeah, just stay healthy. Pray for your families. Tell everybody you love them, just as a precaution, because you never know what could happen tomorrow. So, all right, folks, I'm out of here for now. Take it easy. Cooper out.